One of the most anticipated events in Islamic history is the arrival of the Mahdi. His coming will mark the first major sign of the end times, altering the course of humanity. But how will we recognize the true Mahdi and not an impostor? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, described the Mahdi as a man named Muhammad, son of Abdullah. He said, "His name is like my name, and his father's name is like my father's name." However, the Mahdi's distinction lies not in physical resemblance, but in his character, one of justice, mercy, and humility. As Allah describes the Prophet in the Quran, "And indeed, you are of an exalted moral character." The Mahdi will emerge in an era of widespread oppression and injustice, and his mission will be to restore peace and fairness. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "He will fill the earth with justice and fairness as it was filled with oppression and tyranny." And by the will of Allah, this transformation will happen in a short span of time. A key sign of his arrival is that he will appear in Makkah, where scholars will recognize him based on prophetic descriptions. He will have a wide forehead, sharp large eyes, and a thin, slightly hooked nose. But beyond physical traits, his actions and divine support will confirm his identity. One event will remove all doubt. A group from the Arabian Peninsula will oppose him, gathering an army to march against him from the east. However, as they approach Makkah, Allah will intervene. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the earth will swallow them whole. This divine punishment will be a clear sign of the Mahdi's legitimacy. When asked about those who might unknowingly oppose him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, reassured each will be resurrected based on their intentions. This reminds us to purify our hearts and seek knowledge so we do not fall into error. Brothers and sisters, now is the time to strengthen our faith. Increase your prayers, seek forgiveness, and hold firmly to the Quran and Sunnah. In times of confusion, knowledge is our shield. Stand for justice, embody truth, and trust in Allah's wisdom. May Allah guide and protect us in these times.